Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm alive. About almost a month out of surgery, not quite ready to race yet, but it's the last round of the season and I thought it'd be a good way to round out the season by heading up, checking out the new track upgrades, congratulating my competitors, and yeah, showing my family around. So let's get into it. So welcome back to Collie, guys. As you can tell, if you watch the last videos, they fully redone the pit, getting ready for upgrades. But resurfaced, it's looking good. You can see all the way up in here, all redone, re-leveled up around here. And it looks to be that they've redone this part too, so this could be pretty sweet. We have some cars coming up now. Got some of the smaller cars coming out next, XLs, a few Hondas. Jazz, XLs. Look at the rims on that. Honda.
Break 3, final call, break 3, final call.
You'll love these things. Here's the Jazz. Look at it go.
I like the purple and green.
Pants. That one came off.
That one mustn't.
Got some nice cars here today. You can't hop in, bud. Nice. Congrats to Ralph, taking out the W this season in the class. Hey buddy. guys, well we're probably going to shoot through here soon. I came here to check out the new upgrades, check out all that fresh tarmac, see a bit of racing, show the family around, and yeah, congratulate some of my competitors. I think the winner of my category is over there. BMW M2 competition. Well guys, usually I'd be racing now, but it's time to head on through. Congratulations to everyone who competed this season, and thanks for everyone who helped me out. Learned a lot. I can't wait for next year. But yeah, WA Speed Event Series 2025 done. But thanks again guys. Till the next one. See you later. See the cars? Oh. The boys, they'll be racing one day.